Hello and welcome to my humble little hobby channel. My name is RedbeardHobbies and I'd like to take some time to show you what I do around here. So first of all, I paint miniatures. So I just took a tiny little cylinder of green stuff and chopped it down to a cigar shape with like a wider end and glued it to his mouth. The miniature's pose also does a good job of capturing the character of the Chamberlain from the movie. You can see that hint of mischief in his eye and the little curl of his lips. The way he's holding his hands also looks like he's greedily rubbing his hands together. I also do scratch-built terrain tutorials. Now we're on to the exciting part where we get to wipe away some of that grime and filth and make it beautiful again. And I also love telling spooky stories about some of the miniatures and terrain that I'm building. As he consumed this strange liquid, he could feel his body vibrate and his mind expand. It's hard to say what sparked the change in the two of them. Maybe it was just the cabin fever, or maybe it was the root. Strange dreams came to them at night, and waking, hallucinations. If any of that stuff appeals to you, I'd love to have you stick around and watch some of my videos. And also leave comments down in the comments section, because I love reading them and responding to them. My goal for the year is to get to 500 subscribers, so if you like what you're seeing, I'd love to have you help me achieve that goal. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.
Watch the video, viewers, and like and subscribe.
Yeah.